Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the steps to find your followed topics on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This process is simple and will help you explore and manage the topics you're interested in. Let's get started. First, open X from your browser. Simply type in the website address and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options. Locate the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots, and click on it. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page with several categories to explore. From here, click on Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your account's privacy settings. Now, within Privacy and Safety, find and click on Content You See. This is where X organizes what appears in your feed based on your interests. Once inside this menu, look for the Topics option and click on it. You're almost there. In the Topics section, you'll see 2 tabs, one for topics you've marked as Not Interested, and another for the ones you follow. To view your followed topics specifically, simply select the Follow tab. Here you'll find a list of all the topics you've chosen to follow, allowing you to review or manage them as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your followed topics on X using your PC. This feature is a great way to customize your feed and stay connected to discussions that matter most to you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to explore more features on X to enhance your experience further.